Hello, everyone. My name is Gretchen, and welcome to Sensible Home Studio, your place for decorating ideas for your home and celebrations. If you're a returning friend, welcome back. If it's your first time, please subscribe. Today, I'll be sharing my visit to the Philadelphia Flower Show, which I attended a few weeks ago. This show is one of the largest in the world, with participants and attendees from all over the world. I'll be sharing the main interest, which is always over the top. Every flower in this show is live. I'll be sharing other parts in future videos, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them. The main entrance consists of two reflecting ponds with two tall towers of flowers. It was surrounded by numerous specimens of flowers. There was huge bowls of beautiful rose bouquets set in the middle of the water, with its dancing reflections increasing the beauty of all of it. Trees rose in the background, creating the most beautiful backdrop with dancing, fluffy flower balls above. You can only imagine the scents of the flowers. It was glorious. I guess the show aroused my senses, and as everything began blooming, inspiration ensued, including the daffodils on the roadside of Interstate 95. I rode past them several times. It was my field of dreams for a beautiful tablescape, the perfect backdrop. So I decided, let it be. Let's take a look at how I put it together, and let me know what you think, and if you know what exit this was. I had these beautiful floral plates, and of course, I knew I was on a wing and a prayer. I started with the yellow tablecloth. I added a tall ceramic white vase flanked by two green vases with candles set on top. I added white chargers, and the plates were set with the green salad plate sandwiched between the floral dinner plate and the bread plate and the napkin underneath. I added beautiful hand-painted goblets and the utensils. The matching bowls are holding lemons and avocados. This table for two is set in the field of daffodils with the backdrop of white trees, and it's out of my dreams. So let's take a look at it all put together. Spring break, and there's a lot of travelers on the road, but this went much smoother than I actually thought it would. The wind began to blow, and I knew it was time to go. I hope you enjoyed the flower show and the tablescape idea that can be recreated anywhere and anytime. It could be for a baby shower, for a bridal shower, for a birthday party. Spring is sprung, and its beauty everywhere. I plan to charter a trip to the flower show next year, so let me know if you're interested. Remember to like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing a new video soon, as we are in the holiest week of the Christian faith and Easter is Sunday. That's something to celebrate. Thanks for watching.